Miscarriage of justice does not only punish the innocent, it protects the guilty and weakens the society. Because of the recent turn of events in the society today, a lot of people, particularly the common man, have lost hope entirely on the judiciary, and even those who do not believe in God before now believe that they can only receive help from God.
When justice is thwarted, truth becomes a victim long before the accused. Every wrongful judgment is a crack in the foundation of a nation's moral strength. Miscarriage of justice is a wound that bleeds beyond the courtroom. Where justice fails, peace falters and pain becomes an inheritance.